The T-Cube RIS Mount for motion tracker. The mounting plate itself has a tightening strip, which is tightened by the screw on the back. The motion tracker slides onto the bracket's clamp. Then you can simply tighten the screw so that the motion tracker device is secure on the bracket. This makes the device secure enough for combat use. The bracket's arm has two joints, a middle elbow joint, and on the end, a rotating wrist joint. In this configuration, it will be mounted to the left side of the weapon. The default short arm mounts on one side of the plate. By flipping the arm to the other side, but then switching to the longer arm, which is also included instead, this device is now configured for mounting onto the right side of a weapon. The T-Cube RIS Mount for motion tracker from www.redwolfairsoft.com.